Severe ileitis as the sole manifestation of post-COVID-19 in an adolescent, a rare case report. Inflammatory bowel disease is multifactorial, involving complex interactions between genetic predisposition, environmental factors, and dysregulated immune responses. However, in a rare subset of pediatric patients, a severe post-infectious hyperinflammatory syndrome may arise, termed multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children, MISC. Enteritis as the only manifestation of COVID-19 in adolescents without features of multisystem syndrome in children, MISC, or a prior history of IBD is presented. The case report of an adolescent patient, an 18-year-old male, presenting to tertiary care centers in the ACDS United Arab Emirates. In August 2022 with severe enteritis as the only manifestation of post-COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2, infection. He had a 6-week history of acute onset of severe epigastric and lower abdominal pain, nausea, and 1 episode of vomiting. Loose bowel motion 1 to 2 times a day, back ache, sore throat, gases and distension, milk intolerance, chest pain. A previously healthy patient after COVID-19 infection was discovered to have severe ileitis associated with gastric Helicobacter pylori infection and bilateral kidney staghorn calculi and thyroid nodules that showed Hürthle cell tumor. The patient was treated with budesonide and azathioprine. A positive ANCA-ANASCA may point to susceptibility to develop Crohn's disease triggered by COVID-19 virus. Moreover, awareness is needed to recognize the non-respiratory manifestations of COVID-19 infection. Introduction. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, including Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, is a long-term condition that causes inflammation in the digestive system. It develops due to a mix of genetics, environmental triggers, and problems with the immune system. Diagnosing IBD has become more challenging during the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in the UK, where more than half of new cases didn't get the usual endoscopy tests. In children, COVID-19 usually causes mild symptoms, but in rare cases, it can lead to a serious condition called multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children, MISC. This condition causes widespread inflammation affecting the heart, blood vessels, and multiple organs, including the gut. Children with MISC often have stomach pain, diarrhea, or other digestive issues that can look like IBD or stomach infections, making diagnosis difficult. MISC is a new illness linked to COVID-19, and while its symptoms are now better recognized, doctors still don't fully understand what happens in the gut at a microscopic level during this condition. More research is needed to explore how MISC affects the intestines, which could help improve diagnosis and treatment for affected children. Conclusion. A previously healthy patient presented with abdominal pain 6 weeks after COVID-19 infection. Discovered to have severe ileitis associated with gastric Helicobacter pylori infection and bilateral kidney staghorn calculi and thyroid nodules that showed Hürthle cell tumor. The patient was treated with budesonide and azathioprine. Ustekinumab was started with a good response. A positive ANCA-ANASCA may point to susceptibility to develop Crohn's disease triggered by COVID-19 virus. Awareness is needed to recognize the non-respiratory manifestations of COVID-19 infection. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.